Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I will show you how to replace and remove the rear taillight on a 2009 Chevy Tahoe. To start, first lift up the tailgate. Your taillight will have three light bulbs. One is here, one is here, and one is here. So the upper one and the bottom one, they're both your taillight light bulbs. The upper one also serves as a brake lamp, and the bottom one also serves as a turn signal light bulb. And the one in the middle, it's a reverse light bulb. To replace any of the light bulbs, you will have to completely remove the complete taillight assembly. So this video is about replacing the taillight assembly or how to replace any of the light bulbs inside the taillight. First, what you will have to do, we have two Phillips screws. One is here and one is here, so just remove those. Once you have removed those Phillips screws, your taillight will become almost completely loose. Now, to remove the taillight, you will have to pull it straight towards yourself and not to the side, because there are two pins here still holding the taillight, and they need to be pulled straight out towards yourself so you don't break them. Okay, most likely you'll have to use something like this just to gently pry it out. You will see the pin right here. See it? That's the one. Another one is down here. So also just gently pry it out without damaging the paint. Okay, and now the taillight is out. Now if you want to completely remove it and replace it, you just have to remove all the lighting bulbs. So like I said, first one on the top is your taillight bulb, and it serves also like a brake lamp. The other one is your reverse light bulb, and the third one is your also taillight bulb and a turn signal light bulb. So yeah, once you remove all this, this is your position light as well on the bottom here. Yeah, I forgot to mention that one. Okay, it's very easy to do. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I try to post new videos daily. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews and similar automotive topics.